All right. Welcome back, everybody. We hear a lot about carbon dioxide, most of it not all that great.
But now, as News Channel 5's Kristen Scovera explains, a Vanderbilt engineer is working on a new technology to capture that CO2 and help create super materials.
It's all around us, and now engineers like Vanderbilt's Carrie Pint are taking carbon dioxide right out of the air.
Sucks it into the system where we basically split apart the carbons and the oxygens in the carbon dioxide so that the carbon that we get can be rearranged into these technological supermaterials.
Technological supermaterials sound like something out of a comic book.
50,000 times smaller than the human hair.
Pint says these supermaterials are created using carbon nanotubes, or hollow tubes composed of carbon atoms.
They have mechanical properties 10 times the strength of steel at 1/6 the weight. They have conductivities up to the levels of copper. They have thermal properties that are competitive with diamonds.
These carbon nanotubes do not occur naturally, so they have to be created in a lab.
We're using something from the atmosphere that could be a potential issue many years down the line, and will be a potential issue many years down the line.
Historically, creating them has been very expensive. Now Pint is making this so-called black gold much cheaper using electrochemistry. He says cutting costs is the key to changing the world.
You're never more than 2 feet away from a product or a material that can't be transformed with carbon nanotubes.
One day, Pint hopes to take toxic emissions and solve real-world problems, building better tires and batteries, making materials harder and stronger. Kristen Scovera, News Channel 5.